Good morning, my friends. How's everybody doing out there in the YouTube world? So today I'm going to do another challenge. So the challenge I'm doing today is from John DIEHARD McLean. He threw out a challenge a couple weeks ago, and he challenged you just to tell YouTube more about yourself. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you some more about myself. Stuff that I really have never talked about, for the most part. So, where to start? Start from the beginning. So, I was born in Springfield, Massachusetts. That's right, Massachusetts. So, and not long, I didn't live up there a long time, and we promptly moved to the Philadelphia area. From the Philadelphia area, I moved to Jersey and spent my formative years growing up in Camden, New Jersey. Yes, I said Camden. Hey, look, there's that big cock that I did a video about right up here. So, yes, I spent my formative years growing up in Camden, New Jersey. Anybody that's heard of it, I'm sure you haven't heard anything good about it. So, and I actually moved back to Pennsylvania. I moved to Phoenixville, Pennsylvania shortly before I got married. And so I have been married. It'll be 29 years this year. We have one child who is now 26 years old, and I have spoken about him on many different occasions. So, Mr. McLean also said, you can talk about your hobbies or whatnot. I don't have a lot of hobbies. So, the only thing that really comes to mind is I used to golf. Now, probably still do. I haven't done it in 2 or 3 years. It's been quite a while since I've gotten the old sticks out and hit the little white ball. And I'm really not that good at it anyway, so it's not like I'm really missing out on much. So, obviously motorcycles, doing this dumbass channel, it's one of my hobbies. And my most favorite hobby, and this is just a recent hobby I've taken up over the past couple years, and that is napping. Yes, that is a hobby of mine, napping. With my work schedule, I don't sleep much during the week, and because I work days or work nights and sleep days, I try to live a normal life on the weekends. So I go to bed at night and stay up during the day. But because of that, I don't sleep very well at night on the weekends. I actually sleep like shit. My wife gets mad at me about it. So, if I don't have anything to do on a Sunday afternoon, I take myself a little nap, and that's one of my favorite hobbies. So, I don't know what else to tell you. So yeah. Been married for almost 29 years, have one child. I talk about all the time that I'm a truck driver, but I am a truck driver who Works for an LTL company, and I pull double trailers. I do not pull a single trailer most of the time. I pull double trailers. So there's a little interesting fact. Let's see, what else? What else can I tell you guys about me that I either one, want you to know, or two, that you don't already know? Interesting. I don't know. I can't think of anything, but I think that's a good start. So John said to make the video anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes, and I can't read that because I'm old and I don't see well. What's up there, biker bro? So this is, I'm assuming, between 7 and 10 minutes. So check out his channel. I'll put a link down in the description. I'll actually put a link also to the video that he put out for the challenge. And check out his channel. And I believe that's it. Really and truly. I think that's like all I got for you guys. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe and y'all love one another. Damn, that light turned fast. Peace.